rice dumplings not only look very delicious, actually the process of making them looks very enticing to me. And now I'd like to try to make some dumplings by myself. So Steven, could you please be my teacher and teach me how to make the sticky rice dumplings?
Yes, I can.
Thank you so much. So let's start from the wrap, okay? Yeah. So make sure it's we can choose the big leaves.
This one.
This one.
And then on top it must be small one.
Okay. A big one down, a small one.
This one.
Yeah.
Twist.
Oh, okay, you twist it to
And
make
then
sure. Yeah, there's not any hole down there.
Then you touch and then it become.
Oh, alright.
Touch and
Yeah, okay.
finish.
Now,
Yes.
like this.
This and then touch.
Make sure this one is tight.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we can put the
Then put rice.
rice. I think I'm 2 spoons. I'm going to make the savory ones. They look so good with meat and egg yolk. Yeah,
2 spoons.
2 spoons savory rice.
Then take egg salted yolk.
Okay, egg salted yolk first. One.
Pork.
Pork. 1 is okay?
One is okay.
Okay, yeah.
Then take 1 spoon.
1 spoon of the sticky rice again.
Rice again.
Alright.
Put on top.
On top of those
Cover.
fillings.
Oh, cover everything.
Alright, cover them. Use this one.
This one. Yes, this one.
Oh,
Yes, this
yeah.
one. And this. No.
No.
Use this side. This side and then this side.
Okay.
This side.
Huh.
Yeah. And then you want to know, use a thread.
Yes, now my very first zongzi sticky rice dumpling.
Then use a thread.
Yeah, white thread for savory ones.
First you tight here because it can come out. This one. This one.
Yeah.
This one. Then you touch this one. This.
Uh-huh.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I'll make sure it's tight.
Yes. Yes.
It's okay?
Yes. Yeah. For you. Yes. It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Then we put the thread.
It's inside.
Get it inside, it's okay. Wow.